What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. What we're going on today, we're going on a field trip down to Anaheim to pick up Jamie's car seats, bucket seats, NRG seats, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go pick it up. Oh yeah, the Ultra. I don't know. I don't know the name, bro.
We don't really get how their shipping works because like he has a ship time, but he can't ship them apparently.
Yeah, but
I have to wait for NRG to ship them.
It's kind of weird.
Because then I could go pick it up. So I don't know. I got everything else though. So.
Yeah, so we're gonna get it. Maybe we'll come back and maybe we can install it today. Maybe we'll see. We're driving all the way to Anaheim, so we're like an hour and a half away. But we'll see if we can maybe get home and install it. If not, I don't know when. But it should be installed soon, so it should be tight. We made it.
I have that freaking glare on.
Oh, that's the one.
Yeah, there was chrome. It wasn't like neon chrome.
WXGST02. Got it.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah, I'll stop there.
Oh, that's so nice.
Damn.
Oh my god.
You climb in and out, like keep your hands clean and all this, getting
I
in and
know.
out of it.
I'm about to have like some driving gloves.
Cool.
The seats I want are over there. Those sparkle ones. Yeah, the red sparkle. Well, I'm still deciding. I don't know yet. It fit perfectly well. There you go. The koala.
It's the koala. The koala. Yeah, like tell me.
It's a cool place. Movement garage. Really cool industry. Really cool.
Really like what?
GDM, fucking air fresheners. You think you're cool, huh?
Pink.
So we got the seats. It's a cool little aftermarket shop that does.
Like bodies. Sorry.
I think so. It's a cool little aftermarket shop that they have there or whatnot. Like they sell aftermarket parts. Pretty dope.
Super nice people.
Yeah, the super nice guy was being super nice, but like, you know, very helpful.
His name's AJ.
His name's AJ. Movement Garage, check them online. They have a whole bunch of seats and stuff like that. They sell a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, the seat looks dope. She was originally gonna go purple, but they didn't have it, so she ended up going with pink. Pink looks, in my opinion, looks pretty dope. Not gonna lie.
The pink is super pretty, and the purple's back ordered till October.
Yeah,
so.
the purple's on back order, especially with all this going on. So it's cool. So now let's get home, and we're gonna see if maybe we get home in time to install it. We don't know. Had to stop and get the snacks before we go home.
Oh look, there was Burger King.
We made it back home. Let's go and actually, yeah, let's bring the seat down so we can figure out how this is gonna go all together.
Oh, it's perfect.
Damn. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put all the mount stuff together, and then we're gonna get it into the okay. Okay. I got the seat off, so now we gotta unplug these plugs. There we go.
You gotta unattach the wire. And there's This is what we're left with.
Oh, okay. Got that out. So Jamie's gonna vacuum all under here. But I got the seat out. In the meantime, I'm gonna go figure out how to put all the other one together. Took a break, kind of get food at this place. I don't know, never been here. This is like little character buns. You'll see how they look. They look pretty bomb. What did we order?
We got chicken. Little chicken and little cows.
These are the character.
So mine has barbecue and then yours has chicken.
Yeah.
There's some like cute little motherfuckers. What the fuck?
Yeah, let's go ahead and try these little. Yeah.
Remember we got some of this.
Alright. Cheers. So back to putting these brackets on the seat. We're gonna put the slider brackets on right now. I got this one on, kinda. I just gotta tighten it up and then I'll put on the other one. They're a little bit of a pain in the ass, but just because when you gotta move them up and down, you gotta move them with some force. But so far so good. Okay, now move it back. Is that it?
Yeah, because it hits this. It hits the door.
No, because I moved it further back.
It's
earlier.
hitting the thing.
As you guys saw, we installed it. So now we're gonna go ahead and wash it up and clean it up because it's dirty. But it's just looking tight. Everything's coming out cool.
Look, Matt, it's the story.
Oh yeah.
Dream on!
Alrighty then. Now that we're strapped in, ready to go.
I like that. My keys are attached to my pants.
Okay, there we go. So we just got done washing Jamie's car. It looks clean again. It was dirty as fuck. It's clean again. We installed the seat. It looks even cleaner.
Oh, that's what's right here. It's my purse. I was like, why is this so uncomfortable?
Okay. But everything's good to go. Came, we washed it. She's liking how it feels. It's going good. NRG. We need that sponsorship. If not, we're just gonna bleep out your name throughout the whole entire video. Just kidding. But anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you liked the video on this NRGC install pink. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one. Bye.